Guys, ayan, nagluluto po ako ng bok choy at ang kanyang sauce ay oysters, honey, na may kalamansi, garlic, carrots. Ayan guys, oh, lagyan natin mamaya yung bok choy. Sarap yan. Sinisipon ako guys. Panahon ngayon, ang hirap. Lahat kami, puso kasi dito. Lagay natin guys yung bok choy. Ito guys ay boiled na. Pinakuluan ko. Lagay ko muna guys. Ayan guys, nalagay natin yung bok choy. Boiled bok choy. Yan. Ito yung sauce. Yummy, yummy. Sarap yan guys. Unong butete. Nagluto yung asawa ko ng pusit. Ang laking pusit galing sa biyanan ko. Ayan guys, yung pusit na inihaw ng asawa ko. At ito, meron ding fried chicken, picho. Ayan. Kain na tayo guys. Ayan ang aming ulam. Yan na. Di ka kakain? Tapos ka na? Okay, mami naman. Electronics kasi ito.
Cassie, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Oh my gosh, cooking rooms at 100 right now. Father's Day left window.
Okay.
I'm just gonna click it. I'm gonna click it. Fudge! No, I clicked the window. I clicked the window. Oh my gosh, chat. We're 88 ready followers. Keep clicking, keep clicking, keep clicking. Everyone tap the screen. Rooms at 100,000 likes as well. If we have the lowest of the likes, we had 100,000 likes. Chat, we have 1,100,000 viewers right now. Holy cow, chat, we have 1,100,000 viewers. That's actually insane. Oh my gosh, right window. Brother!
Talagang may ano pa. Ganda ng kanyang
I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see the issue.
Tignan mo natin kung nasasaksak siya.
Okay, alright. We'll be seeing it. Chat, we're at 94 new followers. 95. We need 5 more. I'll shout out the last, the 100th person. We're almost
You have
there.
to
We're
check
almost there.
if
We're at
nabubuksan
1,300
siya.
viewers. Reagan, 24.
Oh, edit lang
Oh
ang
my
ano.
gosh, Reagan, you were number 2. You were number 100.
Edit lang.
Reagan, you're number 100. Congratulations. That's insane. That's
Ayun.
insane. Jamie with the tiny Christmas. Chat, we're at 1.4
Yun lang.
thousand viewers.
Oo, Mila.
Holy cow.
Okay.
Okay, the
Okay na.
basketball stall.
Guys, ayan. Magawa ko guys ng lumpia. Lumpiang Shanghai. Ayan. Ayan guys. Marami na nang nagawa ko guys. Tapos nakapagluto na rin kami. At kumain na yung mag-aama ko. At ako gumagawa pa rin. At eto guys. Di pa ako tapos gumawa. Yan. Tapos dahil marami pa. Meron pa akong lumpia wrapper dito. Tapos at eto pa guys. Marami pa siya. Yan. Habang gumagawa ay nanonood ako ng mga video ng mga ka-sisi at ka-brothers natin sa YouTube. Ayan guys. Ito guys yung ginagawa ko. At at ayan guys nga yung pinapanood ko kay shout out kay Lumabglab. Tama ba? Lumagablab pala. Ayan. Nanonood ako sa kanya. Guys, gawa muna ako guys kasi hindi ko naman pwedeng hawakan tong cellphone ko at video. Hindi ko magagawa ang lumpiang Shanghai.